guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So, finally, nanadyo tayo bagong video sa atong channel, and that is Draw My Makeup Challenge. And for today's look was drawn by my good friend Clarissa. This is what she drew. So we're going to recreate that today, and hopefully ma-achieve natin. Okay? Let's quickly start our base. I already moisturized my face, so let's go ahead to primer. Today I'll be using this Maybelline Master Prime as our primer today. For foundation, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear. And let's quickly put concealer using the Fit Me Maybelline Concealer. I'm using the Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick. To set everything, I'll be using this Detail Makeover Mineral Loose Powder. For today's kilay, I will be using this L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade. Then let's clean the edges using a concealer. Now that our eyebrows are done, let's proceed to the eyes. For today's eyes, I'll be using this Color Studio palette by Beauty Glaze. Okay, so sa drawing ni Clarissa, she has color pink on the innermost, and then brown, and then green, and then yellow, and then bright pink. So let's do that. First, let's prime our eyes with a concealer. We are going to use this light pink. Now, for the trickiest part, the blue graphic liner. I don't know if I can do it, but let's try. So for the blue liner, I'll be using these light blue over here from the Face palette. Okay, hi, I'm back. So this is what our eyes looks like. For mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise. Lower lash line. Let's bring the pink down para connected. Then yung shimmer, the pink with shimmer. Now let's proceed to our blushes. So I was thinking nasa blush. Let's bring this color pa here. So, highlight from Ever Banana. So, ayan guys, this is what the final look is. What can you say? I think I achieved the look pretty well. So, what are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of my future videos. Bye!